Okay, so we've finished installing that headliner now. I'll just give you a look at how it looks so far. Don't know how well this light shines in there, but there's a few marks on it. That's just all dust and stuff. But overall, we've got all the wrinkles out. There's a few little ones. There's the small one in that back corner. I'm not too fussed about that. Where the light goes, there's a wrinkle there that'll fix up once the light screws on because it'll tension it a bit more there. These front corners are a bit annoying, but once it's dried, and I'll sort out what I'm going to do on those pillars, they need black vinyl there, so I can sort of tension that little corner a bit more anyway, but overall the bulk of it is okay. So I'm happy with how that's turned out. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. I'm pretty impressed with it. I need to give it a wipe down. It's very dirty and dusty. Okay, just with the glue I'm using, I'll just show you the glue. This one here I ordered from, I think it was Mini Works, Mini Sport Australia it was, yeah. And it kind of smells like the same rubber cement that you use to repair bicycle tires when they go flat. You put the puncture on. So it's contact adhesive. So you paint it onto the rim of the where it needs to stick to. Do that on both sides. Paint it onto the fabric, and then leave it for a few minutes. And then you can tension it and it press down on it, and it actually sticks for you. The advantage of that is you can, even an hour later, you can still pull it down and retension it, stick it back again, so it doesn't stick straight away. You've got plenty of time to undo it, tension it if you need to. So I'll have a look from the back. That's the view forward. Not bad at all. A couple of wrinkles at that front bit there. I can probably use a hairdryer, get those out, but give it a hot day, it'll be fine once it settles in there. Okay, well, there we have it. I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching my videos.